Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the best Faucet website. You can claim your free LiteCoin from that website. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you LiteCoin, this much satoshi of LiteCoin every 5 minutes. This website pay you an unlimited time claim per day. Okay, and first go to your Faucet pay, copy your LiteCoin wallet address from here. From here, this is your LiteCoin wallet address. Come here and paste it. Okay, just come down and click login. It's very easy. Just solve this captcha first, and after that captcha you can make your free LiteCoin very easy way. Okay, and just click I'm not robot. Just solving the captcha. Just click verify and just click verify captcha too. Okay, wait few seconds. After few seconds, this website pay you instantly your Faucet pay. Okay, you can see this website pay me instantly my Faucet pay, and this is one of the best Faucet website pay you this much LiteCoin satoshi, and this is one of the best. Okay, you can claim every day without any limit. Every 5 minutes you can come back and claim again. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, bye bye for now.